This is a 3/4 horse compressor, R12 refrigerant that I just changed at Go-Go's Pizza in Northport. The connecting rod failed, causing the compressor to not function anymore. I wound up installing a new condenser and evaporator because it was from the 1990s. Other than the broken connecting rod, the compressor is in decent condition, but being it's a hermetically sealed unit, you can't operate on it. Also, the metal contaminated the refrigerant lines, and there were some issues due to the age of the equipment. But that is what happened. Connecting rod failed. So it is going in the recycling pile. If you guys want some good pizza, go to Go-Go's in Northport.